Good morning, good morning, good morning. Last night I rolled my hair with these Loc Loops just using water. And I am going to take this out just to see. I'm saying just to see, as if after I see, I'm going to do something else. But this is how I'm styling my hair today. I'm just looking for something different. I am experimenting to see how my new haircut responds to these Loc Loops. And I hope they respond well. I was just watching a video this morning, and I'll tell you about it in a little bit. But first, let me thank you. Thank you for showing up and supporting me. Thank you for continuing to watch my channel, share the videos, and like the videos. Make sure you like my videos. I've heard that the likes does something to the algorithm. So go ahead and like this video and any other video that you watch of mine. Thank you, subscribers, for all that you do. And if you're watching this video right now and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, you know what? Come on. I compel you to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. Come on and join the Gene G family. It's a great place to be. There are some wonderful people that I hang out with. And I think I'm an okay person myself. So go ahead and let me know that you are a new subscriber. But I was just watching a video, Barbara Oliver. She uploads her videos on Tuesdays, showing how she plans her week. And I enjoy listening to her, and maybe one day I will start doing that. One of the things that she does that I think is a good practice is she writes in her planner her blood pressure for each day. And when she goes for her medical exams, she's able to share that with her doctor. She's a nurse, so there are things that she understands is going on with her body, like a headache or any other feeling that she may have, and she jots these things down. And that's a part of our self-care. I'm going to start doing that myself. Thank you, Barbara, for mentioning that so that I can pass it on. Because when I monitor my blood pressure, when I first started doing that, I did write it down. Now I don't write it down, I keep it to myself. Yeah, I have to do better. And I thank you for that. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly take these out and see what my hair looks like. You on your way out, babe? Okay, see you later. Yeah, no, he didn't leave without giving me my kiss this morning. We did that earlier because he was moving around and doing things. He has a lot to do today, and so do I. This looks like curls from way, way back. And when I say way, way back, I'm not talking about way back in my life, but the curls from a different era. And I don't know what era it is, but yeah, looks like. We'll see what this looks like today. And then I'm going to head out to the salon. If you have not watched the video where I have gotten these Sisterlocks cut, you need to watch that. My hair, I still have hair. And I'm gonna put that link right up top here, or maybe here, depends on where it lands, but it'll be there. Ooh. Gotta watch these nails when you have Sisterlocks. Last night I also tightened a few of my locks right up in here. Because to me, when my hair needs to be retightened, the top part to me looks thinner. Tell me if your hair looks thinner in the top, because that's the thinnest part of my hair anyway, is that top part. And I try to take very good care of it. One time I would just look at the perimeter, but please check your locks, different points in between your retightening time. Check the growth of your locks. That'll determine whether or not you need to have your hair retightened. You spend more time with your locks than your loctician does. It is not the loctician's job to just know what's going on with your hair. You got to share, ask questions, so you will also know what's going on with your hair. You guys, that's a big difference there. I understand that all my life, with my hair, I've had a lot of body. I'm going to go ahead and do my 360. I pray that you have a wonderful day. That today I'm showing you something that you can use. I didn't roll these very tight. Today, this is my hair for today. And I'm going to do my 360. But I want you to have a wonderful day. And know that God wants the best for you. He said He'd never leave you or forsake you. No matter what you're feeling today, if you're feeling down and out, look to the hills from whence cometh your help. Your help cometh from the Lord that made heaven and earth. Yes, look to Him. He's there. He hadn't left you. He has not, because He said He wouldn't. He'll never leave you, nor will He forsake you. Yeah, these curls trying to go up on top. I like this hairstyle. I can do this again. Tell me what you think. I'll come back this afternoon and do a quick turnaround so you can see how it performs throughout the day without any holding agent or setting agent like Lotta Body or anything like that. Yeah, look at your girl. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because God's been so good to me, you guys. He's been so good. And I just want to tell him thank you. I thank God for what he does in my life and through my life. And I thank God that you are in my life. Have a great day, my 360. And it's not a big effort now for me to shake my hair. Have a wonderful day.